roast garlic spread, and I'm going to show you how we do it right now. So we're going to need a nice bulb of garlic, and you just want to chop the top off the garlic. Once you've done this, pop your garlic onto a sheet of tin foil and give it a nice drizzle with some olive oil. And then you want to gently wrap the garlic in the tin foil. Once you've wrapped up your garlic in the foil, you want to turn on your oven and pop it on about 150 degrees. And then pop your garlic in the tin foil into the oven, and we just want to gently roast this off for about 30 minutes. But do check it every now and again, and we want it to be beautifully soft and delicious. After about 30 minutes, remove your garlic from the oven, pop it onto a chopping board and discard the tin foil. And then spend a minute to gently remove all of the garlic cloves from the skin. Once you've done this, you'll have some beautiful soft garlic cloves. Start by chopping them up a little bit with a knife, and then we want to add a little pinch of seasoning, some sea salt and a little twist of freshly ground black pepper. Once you've done this, chop it up for another minute or so. Keep going until you have a beautiful smooth spread, and then you just want to pop your garlic spread into a bowl, and from there you can use it for many different things. My favourite is just to spread it onto some lovely toast and enjoy all on its own, but you can pop it in a hummus, use it for mashed potatoes, many different things. And so get in the kitchen, get cooking, and I'll see you next time.